Hi, everybody. Welcome to Straight Path Financial, the future of professional financial planning. My name is John, and this video is to give you instruction on how to enter your accounts and assets in the Account and Assets section. You'll start by logging in. That will take you to the overview. You'll go to My Plan, and then click Accounts and Assets right here. This will pop open this section here where you can enter your savings and other assets. Savings is going to be everything that's liquid. So think of 401ks, brokerage accounts, bank savings, checking accounts, everything you can think of there. Other assets are going to be cars, tractors, if you're cool enough to have a tractor, art collections, that kind of thing. The only thing you will not want to enter in the accounts and assets section is your home and any other real estate. That will be in this section, and that will be covered in a separate video. So get started by clicking on the savings menu and then click add an account, and it will give you a list of the types of accounts that you can enter. Everything from traditional IRA down to other pre-tax is some kind of tax advantaged account. So think 401k, 403b, 457b if you're in education or in the government, that kind of thing. Roth accounts, health savings accounts, which are more and more common these days. 529 savings accounts if you're saving for a child's education, and anything else you can think of. Simple IRAs, SEP IRAs. There's a lot of other pre-tax accounts you can enter too. So lots of sections for retirement or other tax advantaged accounts. Everything else for after-tax investments would be under this savings, investment savings and checking section here. So I'm going to show you how to enter a couple of these. Most of us have a 401k, so let's click on that. We'll say this one is for me. I would recommend that for any account, whether it's 401k or otherwise, you connect and monitor the account. So if you click on that and click on add a new connection, it'll pop up here. It'll give you a list. Here we go. A list of different account or different places where you can connect. So if you have an account at Fidelity or Vanguard or Schwab, a lot of investments out there at these large places, TD Bank, TD Ameritrade. So if you don't see yours neatly in the list here, just click on don't see your institution, search instead, and then you can link up your account there. Highly recommend you do this. Take the time to link it. The advantage is that any changes you make going forward or as the stock market goes up and down, gives you a chance to or it'll automatically monitor all of that and update every day for you. So you don't need to worry about it. If you just want to do it manually, this is how you would do that. So I'm going to call this my 401k. Let's say my balance is $250,000. One of the things you'll have to do if you enter your own return or your own accounts here is to enter what you think the account will return over time. Doesn't mean it's going to do this every year, but it'll give it a starting point. So let's say optimistically I get 12% over time. Pessimistically, I get, say, 2% if I do a really bad job, okay? Then I'm going to save that. And then you will see that account here as part of my accounts and assets, so it's automatically there. All right? Let's add another account here. Let's just say, okay, I have I'm going to do this manually as well. But let's say my savings account, if I can learn how to type, and say I have $10,000 in my savings account right now. You can give it a tax treatment if you want, but same thing. I know cash isn't going to earn a whole lot right now, maybe 2%. Maybe if we're really not lucky, it gets 0% like it has for almost a decade and a half. Okay, so you can save there. Oh, got to pick the tax treatment. Let's just say it's ordinary income. All right, now I have a 401k and a savings account, so you can see how that works. If you go into other assets and you add an asset, you can add a vehicle, an RV if you have an RV, or a business, an art collection, something like that. So I'm going to say other. Let's say my photo collection or something like that, and I think it's valued at $50,000 because I have some rare art. Maybe I think art is going to return optimistically 10% per year, or maybe just 5% per year. But again, you can decide what that looks like, and you can enter it there. All right, and now I have a photo art collection here added into my asset. So As we finish here, you get the idea. Enter your contributions, or I'm sorry, enter your 401ks, your IRAs, your Roths. Repeat the process here, so everything you have, except for your home or any other real estate, are captured here. Link it to the financial institution when you can, so it is captured for you, and it can track any changes and growth that you have over time, and you will be set to go. Again, if you need help, we do offer help sessions. You can sign up for one of those on straightpathfinancial.com. If you just don't want to do this on your own and you'd like to have us do it for you, you can schedule a time to talk to us and have a consultation session. We can let you know if that might be worth it to you if you just don't want to do it yourself. We're happy to help you with that as well. Thanks for listening, and we look forward to serving you at Straight Path Financial, the future of professional financial planning.